We're fucked.
This is going to be too hot for me. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Double fucked.
I'm going to be quite nice. We're only going to add 20.
Oh fuck.
Fight off!
Why? Why you make me suffer?
Now guys, the blender isn't working, which means I've got to do it the original way by mashing it until it fucking goes black.
That makes it worse.
Yes.
Oh, it's going to burn you.
Ah!
Do you want to try? Come on, try it. Try it.
Oh my god. Guys, it's gone pure.
He's like, pure anything doesn't hurt. The hardest chilies are that color.
The Habanero. Watch.
He's gonna suffer!
How much do you reckon a normal person would use? Probably quarter. I'm not normal.
Fuck.
You're the conductor taking me.
That looks disgusting. Oh. So much for a quarter.
Entire bottle. It's supposed to be black, it's gone dark red.
Yeah. It's death.
It's gone dead.
That's it.
It's gone blood colour. It's supposed to be black. So then it gets even hotter.
Oh, we're gonna die. It's already hot. Damn.
This is what happens when you mix Malaysian shit with...
I would put it in the freezer, never mind the fridge.
Alright, these are our defense. This is our defense, the first line of defense. We have cheese string, milk, and ready to go. And the milk, we all have milk, right?
I'm not having the milk, fuck that.
Now, first round will include just eating one of these, burnt side. Whoever gives up first loses the first round. The second round will be the sauce.
Oh, no.
And the third round, you will dip it. Three, two, go.
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Rubber-dub-dub.
I'm not giving up.
Get in the book.
Bit fucking health, actually. Start these together.
You're right there, Julie.
Yeah, so is it.
Oh, Jesus.
I'm not giving up.
Fuck. Fuck. Fucky.
Jesus Christ. It's only the first round. Fuck me. I'm tingly, but I can't talk. My tongue's
We're gonna prepare it.
Fucking hand is tingling.
Alright, we're gonna take 60 seconds of a break. Alright, Jordan, get your spoon ready. In 20 seconds we'll do it. Get your spoon ready and grab a bird's eye chili.
Make sure to cover the entire food.
Yeah, more or less like my holy shit, I'm having shit from. Fuck. Nah, don't worry too much. Just get one chili and as much as you can of the sauce. Alright, look at mine. Okay.
More, you dipshit.
I did more.
There you go.
You get more as well.
Woo.
Get more. I challenge you to get 2 chilies on you. I challenge you if you want to be a boss.
see a chili in his.
I challenge you.
Oh, my nose.
I challenge you to get that big
My
chili.
nose.
You get that big chili, yours is tiny.
Well, fuck you.
Ah,
I'll get 3 chilies.
fuck that. You're gonna die.
Alright,
Yeah.
ready?
Wait, no, wait, I'm getting the big shit.
3,
We're fucking insane.
2, 1, go!
Take your mama's syrup. I challenge you to another round.
Yeah!
4 rounds.
Straight away, another round.
Fuck you. Come on, Jordan. Just till the person gives up and I'm a stubborn bitch, I'll probably die. Oh, Jordan's given up.
He gave up.
I'm
Right?
not having the milk, fuck that.
Okay,
No,
go.
you won't.
Okay, I'm not fucking being a pussy.
Ah.
My tongue is too numb. I don't feel it.
Then
It's not that bad.
you'll feel it when you swallow.
No, that way. Oh! Oh god, I got the butt. Jordan gave up, he wants to give up. Oh god. What happens if I give up? Do I have to have that? Well, you can take the break and the pain will calm down. Alright, I can take it. I can take it. I feel like throwing up now, but it's not that bad. Oh, go down, it doesn't go down, it's stuck here. It's stuck. Oh no, oh no. Do you have ice? I'm not getting up. My mouth is coming. Is that supposed to be yellow? Was. No, I don't know anymore.
Let's give the Spice Girls a taste of their money.
Alright, round 2, come on.
Well, fight, look, I'll fucking
Well,
fight
round
you.
4 for round 2 of the fucking sauce.
Look right.
Ready?
My mouth is too numb. You're going insane.
I had fucking 2. And all the chili
I
sauce.
have 3, I don't give a shit.
Fucking cunt. You guys might have to eat the entire fucking thing.
Go
It's like
ahead.
the Dumbledore scene from Harry Potter when the guy's like, no more.
Right, ready?
No, I'm gonna cry.
3,
I'm gonna cry like a little
2,
schoolgirl.
1.
You're fucking
Go.
insane. Get a load of this guy.
Oh, I feel like crying.
I feel like. Fuck me, everything all over. I'm gonna die.
Just
Look
have
at the fucking size of that.
Just have it, just have it.
Right. Right. It's fucking hot. I'm not giving up. Oh, don't record that, man. It's like I'm drunk.
Oh, the top of my mouth still burns. I want to die. Jaden, you can take a break.
The last 2 standing. Alright. This will be the end, I think. We're going to take 30 more seconds and then that's it. End of the challenge.
My tongue burns just sticking it out.
Alright. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Peace, man.
1.
Where's my sausage?
Oh no, I can't see the bottom so well.